Well, students, we have learnt how geometrical figures can be named and how they can be identified. Now it is time to learn about angles. So as I said, angles are formed when two rays that have a common point. So whenever two rays meet at one common point, they will form an angle. Let us see here. BA is the one ray and BC is the one ray. So BA and BC are meeting at the point, at the common point, and it is B, so that they will make an angle. So that is why which angle has been formed here? Angle ABC. So BA and BC are making an angle and its name is angle ABC. So then BA and BC have a B as the common point and they are called the arms of the angle. So along with rays, BA can also be called as arm of this angle. Similarly, BC is the another arm of this angle. So what are the arms here? BA is the first arm and BC is the second arm. Next, as I said, B is the common point. This is where BA and BC rays meet. So this B is the common point and it is also known as vertex of the angle. So BA, BC are the arms and B is the common point, or it is also known as vertex of the angle. So how can we read this angle? It is angle ABC or angle CBA. Angles can be represented like this. Angle ABC, this is the first way, or else the same angle can also be written like CBA, or sometimes it will also be represented like ABC, and there is a symbol on B that shows that B is the vertex of this angle, and at this point angle is formed. And this is also written as CBA because ABC and CBA are same. See, ABC or else CBA, both are same, or else it can also be written as angle B because this shows that at point B angle is formed, and this angle B is also represented as B, and on top of it there is a symbol that shows the angle B. Before representing any angle, before reading any angle, we must keep these 4 points in the mind. First point is that the common point is called the vertex of the angle. So here B is the vertex of the angle, and when writing or whenever naming an angle, the vertex is always the middle letter of the 3 letters. Just look at here. It is the name of the angle ABC. Look at the vertex here, that is B. So B is exactly between A and C. So here also it is middle. A is here, C is here, but B is exactly middle of A and C. So that is why whenever naming an angle, the common point or vertex of the angle must be the middle letter of the 3 letters. So here also you can clearly observe that B is middle of C and A. So here as well it is middle of A and C. Here also B is middle of C and A, which means the common point or vertex should be middle letter of the 3 letters. Next point, the other 2 letters in the name of an angle may be interchanged. You can clearly observe that. So B is constant here. So the position of B is constant here, but the positions of A and C have been interchanged. So now the position of A is here, but in the second name the position of B is here, which means the position of A and C have interchanged, means exchanged. Last point, this symbol is the angle and which is used to represent an angle. You can see that. So this is the angle symbol, and to name any angle we use this symbol. So right now we read it as angle ABC, angle CBA. Yes, let's look at another example. So here we got QP is the one ray and QR is the another ray. So QP and QR are meeting at this common point and that is why this common point is known as vertex of the angle. Then what does this QP mean? QP is the first arm of the angle and QR is the second arm of the angle. That is why QP and QR are the arms of this angle. Then where is the common point? As I said, common point is the point where one ray and another ray meet. So right now common point, or else it can also be known as vertex. So what is your common point? Your common point is Q, or Q is also known as vertex. Then how do we read this angle? It is so simple. As I mentioned here in this example, it is angle PQR and we write it as angle PQR. As I said, the common point, that is Q, should be middle letter of the other three letters, so that Q should be middle because Q is the common point or Q is the vertex. Next, this PQR is also represented as simply Q, angle Q. So instead of writing angle PQR, you can write this as angle Q, which means the same. Next, as I said, this angle PQR is also read as angle RQP. So we write it as RQP, or this is also represented as angle Q only because middle letter we have to select and use the angle symbol. Here also we have selected middle letter. So this is how we can construct the angle and we can read the angle using arms, vertex, and finally using angle symbol.